Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Yes, I am back with yet another simple, delicious recipe. But first, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this pot of delicious seafood okra stew. I love okra stew and it's so simple to make. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some fresh mackerel and fresh tilapia. This has been cleaned with lemon water. I have some cured beef, also known as Tolo Beef. Normally, I will use fermented fish, which is momone, but I opted in for Tolo Beef this time. I have some squid, king prawns, crab, garlic, shallot, Scotch bonnet, ginger, chopped onions. I blended 1 fresh tomato. For my seasonings, I have Badia Complete seasoning, Adobo seasoning, smoked paprika, ground coriander, mixed herbs, ground cumin, palm oil, and I have my frozen okra, which was chopped and kept in a freezer just to preserve it, but you can certainly use fresh okra. I will list everything in the description below. To my blender, I'm going to add the shallots, garlic, ginger and Scotch bonnet. I will add a little bit of water. I'll blend this till smooth. I'll set this aside for later use. I am now going to cook the okra separately. To my pot, I've added the okra. I will add a little bit of water. Next, I will be adding a little bit of bicarbonate soda, which is entirely optional. The bicarbonate soda will make the okra extra slimy, which I love. I will then allow the okra to simmer on low to medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring often to minimize the okra from burning. After 8 to 10 minutes, the okra is cooked. I'm going to keep this aside for later use. Time to start making the okra stew. To my pot, I am going to add my palm oil. I will allow the oil to come to heat before I add the onions. As the oil has come to heat, I am now adding my onions. I will saute the onions until it is fragrant and translucent. Next, I will add the cured beef. If you don't have cured beef, you can use fermented fish, also known as momone. I'm just adding the cured beef and I will allow the beef to infuse with the oils and the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, there's something about cured beef in food. It just smells so good. I'm telling you, your neighbors and your household will be asking you, what exactly are you cooking? What's all this delicious aroma coming from your kitchen? I am now going in with the blended mixture. Next, I will add the blended fresh tomato. I'll mix everything together and allow this to simmer on low to medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of simmering the stew, I am now going to add my seasonings. I will then mix everything together and allow the stew to continue simmering on low to medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, occasionally stirring to minimize burning. adding the seafood, don't forget to taste your stew and adjust seasoning if needed. Time to add all the seafood. Next, I will add about 1 cup of water. After adding the water, I'm just going to give the stew a gentle stir. I'll mix everything together. I'll then cover and bring the stew to a boil. As the stew has come to a boil, I am now going to add the cooked okra. I will gently stir, being extremely careful so I don't break all my fresh fish. I will then allow the stew to continue simmering on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. Guys, if I tell you the delicious aroma coming from this stew, can you just hear the excitement in my voice? Like, just make sure you have your bankun, kinke, eba ready, because once your stew is done, it's time to chop. And the seafood okra is ready. Guys, as I mentioned before, just make sure you have your side dish which you're going to face this okra stew with, whether it be in your bankun, kinke, eba. Just make sure it's ready. As always, thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is free. And turn on your bell notification icon, which will notify you each time I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye.